Hello and welcome back. It is summertime. It is time for refreshing summer drinks. And also, in this part of the world, in Southeast Asia, it is the mango season. So today I am going to make a mango drink, and it's going to be Yakult based. I have been showing you some Yakult series on this channel, and I'm just stuck with it. It is really, really refreshing drink. And also for those that do not like to have milk in their drink, especially during the summer, you just like it to be completely refreshing. Today it is going to be mango Yakult smoothie. Three main ingredients: mango, Yakult, and sugar syrup. And then the fourth ingredient, which is optional, and I'm just going to show you this so that you give it a bit more excitement into the drink. I'm going to use whipping cream. We are going to use whipping cream not to top our drink, but to use as a swirl in our cup, just to make it look a little bit more tempting and also different. And that's what we are looking for every time. When you serve something in your shop, or even just to make it at home, you'd like it to be extra special. So let's start by whipping our cream. Now, to whip the cream, I would suggest that you always use a chilled bowl. It makes it a lot faster. Okay, so I'm using here a non-dairy whipping cream. So just a little bit, because I'm only making 1 cup. Using your hand mixer, start on low speed. I'm just going to pop this in the fridge and bring it back later. And now for our main event, we are going to make our mango Yakult smoothie. If you have a large mango like I have here, all you need is really 1/2. This bottle is 80 ml, so if you have a larger one, just use about 80 ml of your Yakult into there. And then my sugar syrup and a cup full of ice. Okay, then pop this into the blender and we are ready to make our drink. Our drink is ready. It's time to decorate our cup. So get your whipped cream. We're not going to put this in the cream whipper. You can also replace this with cream cheese. That will even be better. And I'm just going to paint the walls of my glass here. Well, there you go, mango Yakult smoothie with a lot of swirl. I think I got overexcited with the swirl, so you might wish to make it a bit less so you can see the yellow, the mango inside. And once again, you don't need to put the whipped cream on top. It's only because I am overexcited with it, and it really looks adorable, I must say. Okay, so when you do it yourselves, make sure you don't put that much. But it's time for the moment of truth. Oh, wow. Wow. That is absolutely refreshing. Although, I would say, because my mango here is quite sweet, if your mango is sweet, you don't need to put the sugar syrup. It'll just balance that sourness of the Yakult with the sweetness of the mango. So absolutely, you can skip the sugar syrup if your mango is sweet enough. This is good for times when I don't like to have milk in my drink, although the whipped cream would certainly make up for it. It is absolutely refreshing, delicious. You know, mango drinks, you can never go wrong with mango. Something new to offer in your milk tea or coffee shops if you are thinking of what to offer, especially for the summer season. Mango Yakult smoothie. Well, if you have any questions, do let me know, comment below, and I'll see you again for more of these video clips. In the meantime, take care, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.